Friends, let's know about the make AI tool. You can know about more. You can click here, you can see product overview and all these things. Because AI AI, you can see that basically it's used for the marketing, sales, operation, customer, finance, social media, and all these things for the digital marketing platform. And it's a free. You can join and use for digital marketing platform. You can see that, and multiple platform here you can explore. Here now you can earn money from this AI tool. Easily you can join platform and make a market of your application and gain money